A question on definite integral. How do I know it is definite integral? Because the limits are known, upper limit and lower limit. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5 is given. So this value will give me a definite answer. So we call it definite integral. So this time the answer is already known to us as 6. The question says find the integral from 1 to 5 for twice of fx and fx plus 3. So here we have to use the algebraic properties only, and that's the answer. See, if you are integrating something, say fx, and which is in multiplication with some number, let's say a. Okay, so a comes out of the integral sign, and you are left with a times integral of fx dx only. So here what we have 2 times fx dx. So 2 comes out, and which gives me 2 times integration from 1 to 5 of that fx dx. And the integration from 1 to 5 fx dx is already known as 6. So what is that? 2 times 6 equals to 12. That's simple. Okay, I'm just using this value from the question itself. Now, second part. For the second part, see, if we have to integrate fx plus some other, let's say gx. Okay, so then you have to distribute the integral sign in the addition or subtraction to both the terms. So that gives me integration of fx separately plus or minus whatever be the sign is given in the problem. Use that same gx dx. Okay, so here we have fx plus 3. So I will distribute this integral sign to both the sides. I will get integration from 1 to 5 of this f of x dx as well as the integration from 1 to 5 of 3 only. Okay, so what is that? This value is already given in the question again. So it is 6 only. But what about that part? 3 comes out, you have to integrate 1. Integration of 1 is simply x. So basically you got 3x. Now you have to put the limits. Limits are what? 1 to 5. So in place of x everywhere, put the upper limit which is 5. Then take a minus sign and in place of x everywhere put 1. This is the value. So 6 as it is. I'm not changing that 6. Okay. This stays as it is. Plus. Now for this part, put the upper limit everywhere. So we got 3 times 5. Okay. Now put a negative sign. Plug in the lower limit everywhere in place of x. So 3 times 1. Simplify it. What is that? 6 plus 15 minus 3 which is 12. Gives us 18 square unit, 18 value. It's a numerical value. 18 is the final answer to this problem. Some students feel difficulty in applying the concepts to the question. Sometimes they get stuck. So I'm going to tell you how to apply those concepts in the questions. I'll make it very easy for you. So if you are in middle year program, IBDP, MAI, HL, SL, MAA, HL, SL, AP Calculus, ABBC or any engineering math course, feel free to connect with us. You can contact us using this WhatsApp number or you can call us using this. You can also scan this QR code with WhatsApp to get connected with us. You can join our courses with flexible timings and one-on-one or group sessions are available or custom exam preparation where either you can choose for the full year course or few classes for your exam preparation. So scan the code, book your free demo today.